Alan Spector back with you, and every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, I'm joined by Orlando attorney Tom Olson, and he's here right now to bring us Olson on Law. Hello, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
Well, our topic this morning, you see it in the movies, you see it in TV, the reading of the will. Tom, I've seen it many times, on TV and in the movies, not in real life, where a family gathers for the reading of the will. Very dramatic. Does this actually happen?
Alan, the reading of the will makes for great drama or great comedy, but there is no such thing.
Okay, so what happens to the will when somebody dies?
In Florida, the law requires that whoever has possession of the original will is required to put it on deposit with the probate court within 10 days of the date of the death of the decedent. After that, that will is public record, and anybody has a right to look at it.
So say my long-lost aunt dies, Tom, leaves me something in her will. How would I find out about that?
When somebody dies and a probate is done, the law requires that all of the beneficiaries be given notice of that probate by certified mail and given a copy of the will.
Well, what happens if they can't find me, Tom? I do keep a rather low profile.
You would be defined as a missing heir in that probate file. And there are companies out there that track probate files and look for missing heirs, and they would go out and look for you, Alan. And when they find you, you'd get a letter that says, hey, we know where you're entitled to get some money. If you sign this form agreeing to give us 30% of it, we'll tell you where to look. Those letters are perfectly legal and legitimate.
All right. If you have legal questions about this or any other topic, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show. That's heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. on our sister station, 96.9 The Game. Just a reminder that Tom and I do these Tuesday and Thursday morning segments on Zoom, and you can watch us live or later on Twitter and Facebook. Tom, thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.